So come and join me. We're going to go for a little mooch around the Hotel La Siesta. So let's go check this place out. It's not a room review, this is just a quick overview of the property, what it looks like, if you're staying here, what you can expect. The general area is, you've just got loads of bars, you've got restaurants, you've got a commercial centre just here, and straight down there, you're straight onto the beach. So, let's go and check this place out, shall we? So, straight in from reception, we've got a big lounge lobby area. Just going to walk you through, and if you're staying here, you know what it looks like. Show you the pool, the bar, the restaurant, whatever's open, I'll whiz you through and show you. I think this is shut, but it's like one of your evening bars where your entertainment will be held. Spin you back round. And straight over in front there, that's reception. Getting your musical fingertips on, why not? Let's go check it out. We've got a photo booth place, so if you want to get your portraits done, or get some family shots for the kids, etc. It's a low level, looks like it's on 3 stories, this place. Big central pool and a bar in the centre. So we're filming mid-July 2025. Give you an idea how busy it is. Just have a wander around. If for any reason the audio cuts off, it's just you're playing loud music and it probably just had a copyright strike, so I'll just dub it. We've got a whole view going on. This big area here. This will get busier for the evening, I should imagine. Just an indoor snack bar here. You've got a bit of shade going on. And have a burger. Got your downstairs at a buffet style restaurant. And then just up here, brings you back outside into the pool area again. Lifeguards are on, absolutely packed. Big family place. Nice quiet area up there. Busy this place. Definitely, we're a big family hotel. We've got your spa going on, your fitness centre. We've got a fashion show going on at the moment. We've got all the ladies walking around with all the dresses that they're got on for sale over there. You've got your lifeguard over here. Absolutely packed this place. We've got a slightly quieter area. This way you can chill out. Overlook the pool. There you go. That's an overview. You've just got a path walking around on the top area of the pool here, and you can see these rooms here seem to be getting the shade. So we're looking at around about 12:30ish now in midsummer, so you get an idea. And these rooms over here at the top, they're in bright sunshine. So it just gives you an idea if you are stopping here and you want to know which rooms get the sun and which don't. This area is nice and flat. There's lifts to get you up and down, so it's good for mobility. So if you're in a wheelchair or you're pushing trolleys and prams, that's all taken care of for you. But it's busy, 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 this place. Absolutely rammed with families. So yeah, okay, there you go. So if you do like this kind of content, give my video a quick thumbs up. I do loads of walking reviews, whizzing in and out hotels, resorts, wherever I go these days. If you want to see more of this kind of content, why don't you subscribe? It's free. Press the button down there. Leave a comment if you've stayed at this hotel and got any recommendations. If you've been in the area before, know any good bars, restaurants, yet again, leave a comment down there. Recommendations are always the best, aren't they? So yeah, it's okay. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.